Does your microphone sound like this? Making it hard for your audience to hear you, especially when making YouTube videos, or you just want to improve your microphone quality to sound absolutely amazing and professional for whatever that you're doing, then you have come to the right place. And I'm going to show you how to do it without spending a dime. The method I'll be showing you today works on both Windows, Mac, and even on Linux, and works with all sorts of microphones from your phone to laptop microphone and even a USB microphone like the one I have reviewed in the previous video. Links in the description below. First up, you want to open your web browser and search up Audacity. Right here, download Audacity and make sure you click the correct link for each one, whether you're on Linux, Mac OS or Windows. I've already downloaded it here, but you just click it and just run the installer and you will have it downloaded into your PC. But since I already have downloaded it here, I will not have to click this. Next up, you want to open the app and make sure you select your desired microphone for the inputs, and I will be using the B.B mic, a USB condenser microphone that I reviewed in my previous video. I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can find my review on it. Okay, so I'm just going to select that microphone and the desired way you want to hear it, through speakers, headphones, or even an amplifier. Next, make sure you choose a relatively quiet spot in your house where you can record, and then place your mouth a good 5 to 10 inches away from your microphone and press the big red button and wait for roughly a few seconds. Be quiet and then let it start to record your background noise before speaking. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be sure to post more tech content on this channel. Okay, so let's review the audio clip right now. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be sure to post more tech content on this channel. Alternatively, if you record your video along with your audio, detach the audio, your video editing software, and then export only the audio and import it back into Audacity. Through here, import audio, you can choose a audio file right here. Once you have your audio clip ready, you want to double click on the space beside the audio clip right here, and then go to effects, compressor. Make sure your threshold is set to -12. Noise floor set to -40, ratio 2:1, attack time 0.2 seconds, release time 1 second, and make sure you check only this box, makeup gain for 0 decibels. After compressing, and click OK, and you'll start to compress your audio like this. After you have done this, now you want to go back into effects and filter curve. Now we're gonna add some equalization which will make your voice sound much fuller, richer and clearer. Now you want to click manage, factory presets, and then bass boost. And you should see a graph similar to this. I personally like to set it at 3 decibels, and I found it to be a great baseline to start with, but depending on your microphone, your voice, and where you are recording, you may need to change it. After you have applied the bass boost, you wanna go back into the filter curve and click manage again, factory presets, treble boost, then you should see a graph similar to this. And again, personally I like to set mine at 9 decibels and found this to be a great starting point, but it all depends on you. Next, go to effects, again click limiter right here, which I highly recommend you to do. Then set your type to hard limit, leave all the settings the same and only change the limit to -4 decibels and click OK. After you have done that, you want to go back into effects and then normalize. You want to make sure you change no settings except for normalize peak amplitude and set it to -1 decibel. Then click and drag the first few seconds of silence I asked you to add, and I'll explain later. Then go into effects again and noise reduction. Get noise profile and then go back to the same setting again, but now selecting the whole entire file, and you want to set your noise reduction to 12 dB, sensitivity to 6, frequency smooth bending to 3, and noise to reduce. The reason why I ask you to leave a few seconds of silence is to allow your microphone to record the background noise so Audacity can understand it and cut it out as much through the noise reduction effects as possible, and then make sure you export the file to use in your videos when video editing. Now we are going to do a comparison of the two clips, so make sure you put on your headphones for the best listening experience, firstly before processing. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be sure to post more tech content on this channel. And then now with processing. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be sure to post more tech content on this channel. As you can hear, this made this microphone sound way more expensive than it really was and makes a really huge difference. If you still can't get good audio quality, then make sure you check out my video link in the description where I reviewed a awesome microphone that does not break the bank and only costs a low price of $25. Now, question of the day. How does your microphone sound and what do you use it for? Let me know down in the comment section below, and I'm sure to reply to every single one of your comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, which is totally free but means a lot to me. And make sure you stay tuned for more awesome tech content like this.